Monday night ABBA recital.
Richard, may I have more vocals in my things, please?
More guitar is one request from some fucking prick in the audience.
Decide that. That's our fucking decision.
You're a guitarist, aren't you? Shut the fuck up then. If you didn't fucking know, we're King Parrot from Melbourne, Australia. It's good to be in your beautiful country.
Oh, please. Yeah, that's better. Thank you.
I thought you guys were into heavy metal and shit. Yeah, you're into heavy metal? Well, stop acting like fucking pussies. A fucking lot of you. They are you too.